This is a tutorial on how to clear background of any image in Photoshop. First, load the image you want into the Photoshop program. Hit enter. Now go to the layers, right click and hit rasterize layer. Go to the windows and find properties. Let's put this somewhere here. So on property panel, you'll see this button that says remove background. Hit that and wait for the Photoshop AI to locate the subject and clear the background for you. Now you can see how the Photoshop has cleared the background for us, but it couldn't do the hair part properly. This happens with almost every photo which has hair and other parts like that. In order to fix that, just double click on the layers mask here and you will be introduced to this new interface. On the right, you'll see these bunch of sliders and on the left, a bunch of buttons. You do not have to go through any of that. Just go here on the view mode. These different modes help you to see contrast between your image and the background. Click any of them you like. Select this refine edge tool and just brush it over the hair like this. This helps the Photoshop AI to refine these pixels around the hair to cut better. Once done, select the output to layer mask so that the image is non-destructible and hit OK. You're all done. Look how better this looks now. Here's a little before and after. You can add any image or color in the background and the image will look fantastic. Now let's just add some shadows behind it. And look at that. This picture looks like it was shot right in front of this background. I hope you learned something from this video. See you in the next one.